Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Exam Point Notes. Today we are going to cover part 4 of class 11 biology, chapter 8, Cell the Unit of Life. Need PYQs. Let's start. First question. Which one of the following statement regarding mitochondria is incorrect? Options are A. Outer membrane is permeable to monomers of carbohydrates, fats and proteins. B. Enzymes of electron transport to are embedded in outer membrane. C. Inner membrane is convoluted with enfoldings. D. Mitochondrial matrix contains single circular DNA molecules and ribosomes. The correct option is option number B, which is enzymes of electron transport are embedded in the outer membrane. This is the wrong statement regarding mitochondria. Next question. Question number 2. Which one of the following cells organelles is responsible for extracting energy from carbohydrates to form ATP? Options are A. Lysosomes, B. Ribosome, C. Chloroplast, D. Mitochondria. The correct option is option number D, which is mitochondria. Next question. Question number 3. Mitochondria and chloroplast are A. Semi-autonomous organelles, B. Formed by division of pre-existing organelles and they contain DNA but lack protein synthesizing machinery. Which one of the following option is correct? Options are A. Both A and B are correct. B is true but A is false. A is true but B is false. Both A and B are false. The correct option is option number C, which is A is true but B is false. This means A is true. Semi-autonomous organelles. Next question. Question number 4. The structures that are formed by stacking of organized flattened membranous sacs in the chloroplast are A. Stroma lamella, B. Stroma, C. cristae, D. grana. The correct option is option number D, which is grana. Next question. Question number 5. DNA is not present in A. nucleus, B. mitochondria, C. chloroplast, D. ribosome. The correct option is option number D, which is ribosomes. Next question. Question number 6. Which structures perform the function of mitochondria? Bacteria. Options are A. mesosomes, B. nucleoid, C. ribosomes, D. cell wall. The correct option is option number A, which is mesosomes. Next question. Question number 7. Which of the following cellular part is correctly described? Options are A. Thylakoids flattened membranous cells forming the grana of chloroplast. B. Centriole sites for active RNA synthesis. C. Ribosomes whose those on chloroplast are larger 80s within those in the cytoplasm are smaller 70s. D. Lysosomes optimally active at the pH about 8.5. The correct option is option number A, which is thylakoids flattened membranous sacs forming the grana of chloroplast. Next question. Question number 8. Which one of the following structure in an organelle within an organelle? The options are A. ribosome, B. peroxisome, C. ER, D. mesosome. The correct option is option number A, which is ribosome. Next question. Question number 9. What is true about ribosomes? Options are A. They are self-splicing introns of some RNAs. B. The prokaryotic ribosomes are ATS, whereas S strands sedimentation coefficient. C. These are composed of ribonucleic acid and proteins. D. These are found only in eukaryotic cells. The correct option is option number C, which is these are composed of ribonucleic acid and proteins. Next question. Question number 10. Peptide synthesis inside a cell takes place in A. ribosome, B. chloroplast, C. mitochondria, D. chromoplast. The correct option is option number A, which is ribosomes. Next question. Question number 11. In land plants, the guard cells differ from each other. Epidermal cell in having A. Chloroplast, B. Cytoskeleton, C. Mitochondria, D. Endoplasmic reticulum. The correct option is option number A, which is chloroplast. Next question. Question number 12. Which is wrong? Options are A. Both chloroplast and mitochondrion have an internal compartments of thylakoid space bounded by thylakoid membrane. B. Both contain DNA. C. Chloroplast is generally larger. D. Both are covered by double membrane. The correct option is option number A, which is both chloroplast and mitochondrion have an internal compartment of thylakoid space bounded by thylakoid membrane. Next question. Question number 13. Which of the following statement regarding mitochondrial membrane is not correct? Options are A. Outer membrane resembles a sieve. B. Outer membrane is permeable to all kind of molecules. C. Enzymes of electron transport chain are embedded in outer membrane. D. Inner membrane is highly convoluted, forming a series of infoldings. The correct option is option number C, which is enzymes of electrons transport chain are embedded in outer membrane. Next question. Question number 14. In chloroplast, the chlorophyll is located in A. Stroma, B. Grana, C. Pyrenoid, D. Both A and B. The correct option is option number B, which is Grana. Next question. Question number 15. Extranuclear inheritance is a consequence of presence of genes in A. Endoplasmic reticulum and mitochondria, B. Ribosomes and chloroplast, C. Lysosomes and ribosomes, D. Mitochondria and chloroplast. The correct option is option number D, which is mitochondria and chloroplast. Next question. Question number 16. In chloroplast, chlorophyll is present in A. Inner membrane, B. Thylakoids, C. Stroma, D. Outer membrane. The correct option is option number B, which is thylakoids. Next question. Question number 17. What used to be describe a Nissl granule in a nerve cell are now identified as A. Cell metabolites, B. Fat granules, C. Ribosomes, D. Mitochondria. The correct option is option number C, which is ribosome. Next question. Question number 18. The cell of the quiescent center are characterized by A. Having dense cytoplasm and prominent nuclei, B. Having light cytoplasm and small nuclei, C. Dividing regularly to add to the corpus, D. Dividing regularly to add to tunica. The correct option is option number B, which is having light cytoplasm and small nuclei. Next question. Question number 19. Which of the following ribosomes are engaged in protein synthesis in animal cell? A. Ribosomes which occur on nuclear membrane and ER. B. Ribosomes of only cytosol. C. Ribosomes of only nucleolus and cytosol. D. Ribosomes of only mitochondria and cytosol. The correct option is option number A, which is ribosomes which occur on nuclear membrane and ER. Next question. This is the last question of this video and you have to answer this question. Let's see this. Extranuclear DNA is found in A. Lysosome and chloroplast, B. Chloroplast and mitochondria, C. Mitochondria and lysosome, D. Golgi and ER. So if you know the answer, to comment in the comment section, and let's see the question of previous video. So this is the question from part 3. Let's see this. Which of the following pair of organelles does not contain DNA? Options are A. Mitochondria and lysosome, B. Chloroplast and vacuoles, C. Lysosomes and vacuoles, D. Nuclear envelope and mitochondria. The correct option is option number C, which is lysosomes and vacuoles. So thank you very much for watching the video till end. More videos like this will be uploaded on our channel, so stay tuned and subscribe us. Thank you very much.